Oh baby, it is 2018 Panini Prizm football release day. I think it's today. Was it yesterday? I don't know. I think it was today. Anyways, I pre-ordered this and it arrived today. I do have another box on the way, so you guys will get to see me open at least two. We'll see. This is pretty pricey, so I don't know. It's going to have to be pretty good if I'm going to open three or more. So let's get into it and check it out. It is a good size, heavy box. 12 packs, but there are 12 cards per pack, and you know the chrome cards they weigh a bit, so that explains why it's so heavy. I think I've been crazy busy. Both my kids have had surgeries this week. One about 5 days ago, and then the other yesterday, and so that has had me, that plus my job has had me very, 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 very busy. So I haven't studied this too much, but I think there are 2 autographs. I don't know if there are any, man. Look for rookie patch autographs, numbered to 50 or less. There are let's see if we can get them in the light. I don't see. Oh, there we go. 3 autographs and 9 numbered parallels. So let's hope for at least one good autograph out of this. Nice thick silver pack. Let's get into it. I'm super excited about this, and I'm hoping that it will justify its price tag. And there's what it looks like. Kind of a plain design, some little ridges and dots along the side. I don't know if you can see those in this light. Let's see. Yeah, they're on the dark side. They're probably not going to scan or photograph very well as far as the store goes, putting them in the store goes. Marquette King, there's Mahomes. I don't know. I'm going to have to process this. I'm not sure I like this design very much. Let's see what the parallels look like. Anthony Miller Prizm autograph. So the Prizms do look pretty good. This is a sticker auto, not numbered. That's number 1. Alexander rookie and DJ Moore rookie. So there are the rookie cards. Moving on. White, Clay, Amir Abdullah, Mixon, Hilton, Torrey Smith. Let me adjust my light. Don't have really good light on this. Got another box sitting here in my way. The new Topps update, I'm going to be opening that in a few. Matt Ryan. Here is a grit JJ Watt. Gerald McCoy orange die cut parallel, numbered to 249. And my 2 rookie cards. Pack number 3. Atkins, Mosley, Keenum, Chandler Jones, Josh Gordon, Mike Williams, Beckham, Howard, Hogan. Here is a rookie Sam Hubbard. I don't know what this is. Looks to be tie-dye of some sort, numbered out of 275. Fumagalli rookie and Fountain rookie. Yeah, these, I don't remember Prizm being quite so pricey right out of the gate. Over the past few years, the price didn't really shoot up until there was some good players to justify. And this time it just came out high. So I wasn't really crazy about that. Alright, here is a red Le'Veon Bell. And this is numbered to 149. Lazard rookie and Edmonds rookie. Von Miller, Ingram, Ramsey, Floyd, Foreman, Wilson, Aguilar, Keenan Allen. Here's a Hall of Fame Brian Dawkins. Golden Tate blue die cut with a big fingerprint of somebody at Panini on it, numbered to 199. Chase Edmonds and Ito Smith. So far none of the big rookies have come out of this box. Suggs, Thomas, Bradford, Landry, Manning, McCoy, White, good one. This is just a base Prizm, the first one of the whole box. Randall Cobb. And a Justin Jackson autograph. In 2018 is his rookie year, so this is a rookie auto. I guess the Anthony Miller was too. Izzo and Derwin James rookie cards. Lee, Kuechly, Rogers. I'm seeing lots of scratching. I don't know if quality control is going to be a problem with this stuff, but I do see a good bit of scratch. Sorry, I got interrupted. Anyways, I was saying I hope quality control is not going to be a problem with this, because I'm seeing lots of scratches on the surface of this. The Leonard Floyd orange die cut to 249. So far, there's my first top rookie of Rosen, and Jerome Baker is the other. So there's 2 rookies per pack. Jackson, Miller, Tucker, Drake. Yeah, you can see like just, I guess you can. I'm trying to get it in the right light. Anyways, I'm sure you'll take my word for it that there's lots of scratches on this. There is an instant impact Sam Darnold insert, and a Brandon Marshall parallel to 275. My rookies for this pack are James Washington and Shaquem Griffin. Alright, we're down to 4 more packs, and I'm going to have 1 more autograph. So far my autographs are just meh. They're okay. Nothing too crazy. Tremaine Edmonds, this might be my 3rd. Yeah, definitely nothing too exciting as far as the 3 autographs go. Jamon Moore and Trey Quinn. So I'm hoping out of the last 3 packs for a decent rookie parallel. So far I don't have, but only have 1 rookie parallel. Portals, Robinson, Deion Lewis, Lattimore. There is a Von Miller blue to 99. Then rookies of Dante Pettis and Josh Sweat. Fuller, Flacco, Taylor, Ajayi, Calvin Ridley rookie introduction. That's nice. And then an Evan Ingram parallel that is numbered out of 75. A cracked ice looking green. Hamilton and Scarborough. And our last pack has Hearns, Winston, Gronk. Derrick Henry, a Josh Adams. This is a rookie parallel orange, again out of 249. And then Tremaine Edmonds, and I did get a Josh Allen. So I got the two Joshes. No Darnold, no Mayfield. So we'll do a little recap. My 3 autographs, none of which are anything other than regular base autographs. Well, they're Prizm, but they're gonna be Prizm. Anthony Miller, Tremaine Edmonds, and Justin Jackson. And then the stars of the show are the Josh Allen rookie, Josh Adams parallel, good looking Evan Ingram there, Ridley rookie introductions, Von Miller blue scope, looks really good. These look good too. Brandon Marshall. I did get this Darnold insert. The Josh Rosen rookie, Floyd, Cobb. This was the only base parallel, just the only regular Prizm. Tate blue, Brian Dawkins Hall of Fame, Le'Veon Bell red, Sam Hubbard rookie, Gerald McCoy orange die cut, and a JJ Watt grit. And then we ended up with like I said, there was 2 rookies per pack, and then we've got these sizable stacks of base cards. Definitely not like the best box for sure. Like I said, I've got another one coming. We'll open that and see and compare and see what everybody else is getting out of their boxes to see how that, you know, then I can decide if I want to buy more or go ahead and stop. If they're all like this, I would definitely say stop. But you know, that's how it is. You win some, you lose some. But I'm hoping that second box will be better than this. So stay tuned, and I'll have that one and open that as soon as it comes in. And I do have some other new stuff on the way, so be watching the channel for that. Yep, and that's it. Hope everybody has a great weekend. Take care, and I'll be back soon.